Hello guys, welcome back to Jakmedia channel. Here we bring you tutorials on website design and tech-related content. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on important videos like this one. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a domain and host it on WordPress using the Hostinger platform. Let's get started. Sign up on Hostinger. First, head over to the Hostinger website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, go to the top menu and click on Domains. Then click Get a New Domain and type in your preferred domain name, just like this. Click on Search to see if your domain is available. If it's available, like mine, go ahead and purchase it. Complete domain purchase. Choose how many years you want to subscribe for. Then, fill in your preferred payment method and complete the payment. And that's it. Your domain is now purchased. Register the domain. Now, it's time to set up your domain with your personal details. Click on Finish Registration. Once done, your domain is ready for hosting. Here is your domain, and you can make any changes to the details. You can also update the name servers to point to your preferred hosting provider. But in this video, we're using the Hostinger platform, so there's no need to update them. Next, go to your website list and click Add Website. Select WordPress as your platform. Now enter your login information. This will be used to access your WordPress backend. Choose Create Blank Site. Look for the domain you just purchased, select it, and click on Install WordPress. Your website is now being published live. WordPress setup. Welcome to your WordPress admin dashboard. Let's visit the site to confirm it's live. And yes, it's now live. Install a theme. To install a new theme, just follow these simple steps within your WordPress dashboard. And that's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, I'll teach you how to edit a WordPress theme like a pro, so stay tuned. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.